Hey class, I just wanted to go over section 2.4, 2.5, and 2.6, finishing up chapter 2. The key terms in 2.4 are outliers and box plots. I'm not going to talk much about box plots. All they are really are a visual representation of the 5-number summary. But outliers, it's a bit more algorithmic. It tends to be a little bit trickier. Alright, here's the procedure for computing outliers. First thing you do is you compute your 5-number summary. All you really need is quarter 1 and quarter 3, and from that you compute your IQR. That is quarter 3 minus quarter 1. Then you multiply your IQR by 1.5. Then you take quarter 1 and subtract that quantity, quarter 3 add that quantity, and anything outside of those is an outlier. If you happen to sit exactly on one of those cutoffs, you are not considered an outlier. Let's look at an example. First, from that list of numbers, we compute our 5-number summary. 1, 7.25, 12.5, 17, and 33. Then you compute your IQR, 17 minus 7.25. Then you multiply your IQR times 1.5, giving you a quantity 14.625. Next, you compute your lower cutoff, that's 7.25 minus 14.625, which is negative 7.375. Then you compute your upper cutoff, 17 plus 14.625, which gives you 31.625. So our cutoffs are negative 7.375 and 31.625. Anything outside of those two numbers is considered an outlier. In this case, glancing through the list, of course, and looking at our max, we see that 33 is definitely outside of those, and hence it is considered an outlier. I just want to talk a little bit about side-by-side comparisons. From some of the data provided by the Luck 5 book, I generated this little histogram of hours of TV watched by gender. Notice that the females are in blue, the males are in red, and if you stare at this for a little bit, you see that men definitely watch more TV than women. Some guy even watched something like 40 hours of TV a week or something like that. In this case, it's pretty obvious that men watch more TV than women. If we wanted to prove statistically that men watch more TV than women, this is pretty strong evidence. What we're going to learn in the future is how to quantify the degree of our certainty. If the red histogram was shifted way more to the right, that would be even more stark, more clear evidence that men watch more TV than women. If these two, the blue and the red, were more similar, that would be less strong evidence that men watch more TV than women. And what we're going to learn in the future is how to quantify that certainty. Section 2.5, we learn about scatter plots, correlation, and the correlation coefficient. I'm not going to talk a lot about this. I also recorded a video telling you how to generate these quantities. 2.6, linear regression. Again, the other clip I'm providing will show you how to compute this least squares line. The other stuff you'll find in the reading, and please go over it carefully. The Google spreadsheet commands that learn this 2.4, 2.5, and 2.6 are Correl, slope, and intercept. Again, I'm going to go over that in a YouTube clip, so I'm not going to cover it now. All right, that's all I have. Please, if you have any questions, do not hesitate to ask, and take care.